and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over BS course part 4. So part 4 of the BS course. So we've learned parts 1, 2, and 3. If you have not watched my videos on one of those or learned one of those, go ahead and find the video to those in my description box below. I have the links down there so that you can learn them first and then come back to part 4 and finish the combo. Part 4 is the last part of the combo. So, yeah. So in order to learn the entire combo, make sure that you go and first learn parts 1, 2, and 3, and then come back to this one. So this part has a lot of over the tops. So I'm going to face sideways so you can see what my feet are doing because I don't have enough space to go front and back. Okay, so I'll say which foot you start on, but then I'm going to turn this way. Okay, so we just finished with our maxi forward from part 3. Okay, so you're going to hold for 8. This one starts on 1, so that's the difference. So whatever you need to do to account for that 8 count hold, just do it. So if you need to clap on 8 or snap or just count 8, that's fine. So we're going to hold on 8 right after stomp. We'll go 8. You're going to start on your right foot. You'll go step, right. Left foot is going to come over to do an over the top. So you'll go step right, left. Now you can either fake it and go more in front here, or you can actually jump over your foot, okay? So it depends on how advanced you are. I am going to do sliding it pretty much just side by side, okay? So you're going to go step right, left preps to go over the top, and then over the top, stepping on right again. You're going to do that again on left side now. So now left side's going to step. Right foot's going to prep for an over the top. You're going to go over the top and step on left again. Okay? So it'll go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So this part is definitely slower than the other parts. More drawn out. So again, we hold 8. You're going to step on right. You have 1 and 2. Left side, 3 and 4. From here, you're going to go toe hop. Then you're going to go 2 more times, once on the right, once on the left with those over the tops. So, so that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So this one is the most exhausting to do. So again, so it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tip, hop, and 6 and 7 and 8. Ultimately landing on 8 with your left foot. So let's try that again. Right foot starts. Holding 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, you're going to go into 4 trenches. I have not gone over trenches yet on my channel, but trenches are pretty much, you're going to stomp on your right foot, and as you're switching from your left to your left is going to slide backwards. So you want to think right foot stomps here, and you're going to slide on your left. And then you're going to do 4 of those. So that was number 1. You're going to go 1, 2. You're going to switch from right foot to left. Now right foot sliding back after left foot stomps, or before left foot stomps. 3, switching back, and 4. Okay, so it's almost like pullbacks, switching pullbacks, except you don't pick up your foot. You leave it on the ground. You slide it backwards. Okay, so again, it's 1, 2. Sorry, that was a pullback. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, be aware that you don't make a pullback sound. Sometimes if you're really used to single foot pullbacks or switching pullbacks, it's easy to throw a pullback sound in there, so just watch out for that. Okay, so from the top of this part, we have the over the tops. Then we have the trenches. Let's work those through. So it starts on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trenches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are on each on their own beat. Okay. Once you hit down on this 4, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to go shave and a haircut, 2 bits. So both feet together, chug down, heel drop down, pull back, syncopated on the right foot. You're going to step on your right, hit your right with your left, stepping on your left, stomping right. Okay, let me go through this one this way because I think this one's going to be easier to show. So you have both feet, both heels drop at the same time or chug, double pull back on the right, step, hit with the left, hit right with the left, step left, stomp right. Okay? And the rhythm for this should be ba da 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 da. Yeah, that kind of famous ending that you always hear on things. So faster it would sound like this. Okay? So now we have the entire fourth part and the ending, shave and a haircut, 2 bits. Let's go through the whole thing. I'm going to go back to the side view. Since I showed you the shave and a haircut ending from the back, you should know how to do it now. So now I'm going to go return back to side view for this part. Okay, so over the tops, trenches, then shave and a haircut, 2 bits. Here we go. Starts on 1 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, nicely done. Okay. Whew. Let me show you the opposite side of this so that you can also see it from this side, see what this foot's doing over here. One more time. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. One more time, starting on 1 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, I missed the toe part. My foot went off the board, so I didn't get that toe hop in there. Darn. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm out of breath. And I'll see you in the next video.